Funny thing is, come on, let's go there. And honestly, you might gotta join the gym, man. Hell, I might gotta join the gym. I'm just saying. The gym is not looking too bad these days. Trying to catch your face. I know at the end of the day, some of you guys need your fix. You know what I mean? Especially you guys who love Sasua. But there's times when Sasua thin out. What I mean by this is, I got big things for you guys. Let's go. For those of you who are new to the channel, and for those of you who have never traveled to the Dominican Republic, and specifically the tiny town of Sasua, and a couple of blocks within that town. ¿Dónde Banco Popular? Banco Popular. Para Banco Popular, sí. Eso. Gracias. This Sasua is a place where, you know, some ladies go to make money. It's not a representation of the entire country, right? And the truth is, a large percent of the ladies who go to that town do so by traveling from other cities within the island, right? Well, the capital is Santodomingo. It's the largest city, and the secondary city is Santiago. So really, at the end of the day, if you would like to get your fix of some of the sights that you would see in Sasua, you can go to the source. And that source is one of the largest cities, right? So we're gonna go ahead and we can do that today. I got a buddy of mine who was saying how much, you know, you feel stuck in the United States and you wish to come back to the DR, you know, and just enjoy some time. Well, I'm already getting the reputation of having all the huge ones. It'll be even more of a reputation. Jesus Christ, brother. What was that? Well, the thing is, come on, let's go there. On the camera, it looks like extra far.
Oh, you're still
But it's extra cool. That is actually my video, which I still haven't released now that we're talking. That's just ridiculous. Fellas, it's a smart fit, man. This is why y'all gotta come. And honestly, you might gotta join the gym, man. Hell, I might gotta join the gym. I'm just saying. The gym is not looking too bad these days. The gym is not looking too bad these days. Pretty nice. I might gotta seriously find out how much the membership is for like a month. Matter of fact, I might go do that right now. Smart fit. So, talking about dating over here, this might be an option. So this one. No contrato.
No se paga diario.
No para día.
Día no se paga.
Okay, so solo mesa. ¿Cuál es this? You just put the shorts. Okay. He has it on?
Yeah, he just goes on like to do workouts and he said he does workouts.
Okay.
He was sick. He most of the time is sick. And you can say he is. His private.
Oh, okay.
And
In other words, you're talking about bone.
yeah, and he, you know, have big muscles.
So there's this version for you in there.
Yeah, and I know, but first I went and I checked it out and I said, wait a minute, let me see the comedian of Apollo. And those women, oh my God, how
Yeah, y'all worse than
bless
us.
you is.
Banco Popular. Banco Popular. So, I figured I would help you guys out who are in similar kind of situations, right? Where you might just need a fix for whatever situation that you personally are in. I was rolling around today with my chica that I mess with down here. So you guys will hear her talking sometimes, but enjoy.
This one is, you got a trail of guys following behind, blocking everything. Oh, Lord. Anyway, we got to go with that door. Come on. Oh, okay. That's good. Shopping. Listen, if you want to go in there, you got to leave your back. All right, come on. 'Cause I'm not sure.
Buenas tardes, mi nombre es Daniel Antonio y quería decirles algo. Queridos padres, por si no lo sabían, si mezclamos amarillo y rojo, tenemos el color naranja. Si mezclamos amarillo y azul, tenemos el color verde. Y si mezclamos rojo y azul...
So the plan that I'm executing with her, as you could see, is to grab some money from the ATM. We just checked out Mega Central, in case you guys are wondering where we are. Mega Central Mall. Now I want to go downtown, man, to Huerta Avenue and into Chinatown. Turns out every Sunday Chinatown has this food event, right?
Oh, it is red.
I happened to stumble upon it. She knew about
Look.
it.
No, I'm getting it. Hey, let's go. Let's go get the regular. There you go. Hey, you can't walk in front of me. Think about it. I see one up front. Let's go get it. So what is this called, a food fish? Oh, yeah, here we go. Hey. Got natural fruit juice and stuff. I guess I know where I'm trying to see the UNC at. So why would I be moving that fast? In position. Look, even Kenneth pointing at it. Of course he wasn't, but pointing at the food. Trying to catch his face. She just to see what chick, she probably like, oh my God, they're down here too. We're all trying to capture the face. I don't know what you just said. What you said?
I said walking by this side, my more inside, like like in the back.
I don't know what you're saying. Are you saying I should or should not or what? Oh, okay, can I real quick? You're starting to slip. Yeah, but so heavy. Here's the best part. I think that makes like a nice 8-minute video right there.
Yeah,
Only that caption. See these little dumpling things are nice, but I see what they're doing. Yeah, you're right, they're overpriced. Hold on. Well, guess what? This whole area gonna be like that because the next gonna be Zona Colonial. Everything gonna be tourist spots.
know if they have that drink.
What drink? Shinola?
The thing that's not China, they Korean. The thing to get people drunk. At 200 pesos.
Angela, are you tired? Your English is going downwards.
I said the drink that they drink probably when they get the drink
is
in the
they?
movie. And the Korean. I even say they're
Sake?
not China. Yeah.
It's almost sake.
Yeah.
Okay. You want to check it out?
No, I see already see 200 pesos.
How big is it? Where is it? Alcohol?
Yeah. Yeah, I think it's alcohol.
You want to ask?
Yeah, it's alcohol probably. One is juice,
First
the
you
other one.
think it's alcohol, then it is alcohol. If you're not sure, you could ask. I think you're thinking about sake, but I know sake is a Japanese version.
All right, so here we are, El Conde, right? So this right here is La Zona, Zona Colonial. If you guys missed this, hey man, here's a small refresher. Obviously, copyright music gonna kill me on this one right here because I'm at a bar. All right, man. So we're gonna close off the nights with a little bit of Colmado action. This actually is off of a couple of blocks off of Avenue Venezuela. I think the area is called Ozama, right? I kind of personally like that area a little bit. If you're gonna be on Santodomingo Este, the eastern side, I personally chill at the Colmado kind of action. But of course, there's like lounges and stuff and clubs in this street.